Alright everyone, welcome back. Good to see you again. Today we are jumping into something fun and very powerful. Describing words. These little words make your English feel alive. Think about it. If I say I saw a dog, that sentence is fine but it gives you no picture in your mind. But if I say I saw a big cute brown dog, suddenly you can imagine it clearly. That is the magic of describing words. In English we call them adjectives. And once you start using them, your speaking becomes richer and more expressive. So what exactly are describing words? They tell us more about people, places, things, feelings, even situations. They help us answer questions like what kind, what size, what color, how many, how does it look, how does it feel. Basically, adjectives help you add life to your sentence. Let me show you the different types in a simple way. If you want to talk about size, you use words like big, small, tall, short, heavy, tiny. You might say a big house or a small bag. For color you use red, blue, green, black, white. You could say a blue pen. For shape you use words like round, square, rectangular. So you might say a round table. For quality we have words like beautiful, smart, fast, slow, expensive, cheap. You could say a beautiful city. For feelings you can use happy, angry, tired, excited. For example, I feel tired today. For age you can say young, old, new, ancient. Like a young boy. And for number you can use 1, 2, several, many. For example, 2 apples. As you can see, adjectives can describe almost anything around you. Now how do we use these words in sentences? There are 2 very common ways. One is before a noun, like a big car or an angry dog. The other way is after be verb like am, is, are. So you can say the car is big or the dog is angry. Both styles are correct, and you can choose whichever feels natural. Let me show you how describing words sound in a real conversation. Imagine Arvind and Ramesh chatting. Arvind says, Ramesh, did you see that new cafe near the bus stop? Ramesh says, yes. It looks small but it is really beautiful inside. Arvind says, true. And the food? Ramesh says the food is amazing, especially their fresh hot crispy samosas. Arvind laughs and says, stop. Now I am hungry. Then he asks, what did you think about the staff? Ramesh says they were friendly and polite. Arvind says, agree. And the music was so relaxing. Then he asks, how was your meeting yesterday? Ramesh sighs and says it was long, boring and confusing. Arvind says that bad. Ramesh says yes, but lunch was tasty so it was okay. Arvind laughs and says food saves everything. You can hear how naturally adjectives appear in normal conversation. Now let us do a little practice. I will give you a noun, and you add 2 describing words. Say them out loud. First one, car. You might say big, fast, old, red, whatever comes to your mind. Next, house. Maybe beautiful, large, clean, comfortable. Next one, weather. You can say sunny, cold, rainy, hot. And last one, food. You might say spicy, sweet, delicious, warm. Any words you choose are fine. This is just to get you thinking and speaking. Here is one more trick. When you want to use more than one describing word, English has a natural order. Usually it goes opinion, then size, then color, then noun. So you might say a beautiful big white house, or a delicious small spicy snack, or an interesting long old story. Do not worry too much about memorizing the order. With practice, your ear will learn it automatically. Alright, that is it for today. You did great. Describing words are one of the easiest ways to make your English more visual and expressive. Try describing things in your daily life. Describe your room, your food, your day, your friends. The more you use adjectives, the richer your English becomes. Great job today, and I will see you in the next unit.